How to fix Microsoft Teams error 0xcaa80000 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check internet connection. Teams relies on a solid network to function, and a spotty connection can easily trip it up, preventing login or app access. If your PC's clock is out of sync, Teams might struggle to authenticate your account, blocking access unexpectedly. Make sure that the Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update now and OK. Old or corrupted data stored by Teams can clog things up, making it hard for the app to reach Microsoft's servers. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Delete all content in this folder. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, modern security standards are a must for Teams, and outdated protocols on your system could quietly derail its ability to connect. If that didn't work,